So we left it here last time. Question number 2, continuation. After arranging the data in the ascending order, so we have written what arranging the data in the ascending order. We get, what do you get? We got 39, 40, 40, 41, 42, 46, 48, 52, 52, 52, 54, 60, 62, 96, 98. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so we left it here. So we'll continue from this. So you can see there are how many data given? Number of data is 15, so n will be 15. That is what even. So median is what? If it is even, median is n. Sorry, not even, it is odd. It is odd. It is odd, so median will be what? N by 2 plus 1. When it is odd, the median is n plus 1 by 2 observation. So equal to n is how much? 15. So 15 plus 1 by 2 observation. Now 15 plus 1 is what? 16 by 2 observation. So it will be equal to what? 2 and 16, you can cut it, it will become 8. So it is 8 observation. And what is the 8th observation? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It is 52. So it will be 52. So the median we found out how much? 52. Then find the mode. Mode is what? Mode is, if you see when the data in the ascending order, the maximum repetition is 52. You can see the maximum repetition is 52. 52 is repeated 3 times. So the maximum repetition is the mode. So mode also will be equal to 52. Okay, so you can write it down, and once you're done, you can raise your hand. You can see 22 hands. If you're done, you can raise your hands. I need to see more hands, some more hands. From now, I will not give us any extra note. You have to write it from the class while I'm taking the class, or you can see the video and of the recording of the class, and you can write down from there also. Okay, so it is understood, it is done. So we'll move to the next question. Question number 3. The following question number 3 is the following observations have been arranged in the ascending order. If the median of the data is 63, find the value of x. So the median of the data is given 63. The median of the data is given 63. The median of the data is 63. You have to find the value of x. Okay, so here if you see n is how much? How many data is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So n will be 10. Number of data is 10, so n will be 10. Now in this, okay, it is arranged. So 29, 32, 48, 50, x plus 2, 72, 78, 84, 95. And here n is how much? N is 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And 10 is what? Even. So, okay, now the median is given in this question. The median is given to us. The median is 63. So we'll take median equal to 63. Now, if something is given to us, we'll take the formula on the left side. Median formula, if it is even, we know it is what? N by 2 plus n by 2 plus 1 observation by 2, and that will be equal to 63. Now put the value, n is how much? 10. So 10 by 2 plus 10 by 2 plus 1. Observation, everything divided by 2. Now we can cut it 10 and 2, we can cut it again 2 and 10, we can cut it. So what will get? 5th plus 5 plus 1 is 6th observation by 2 equal to 63. Equal to is in the middle. Observation by 3. Now 5th observation is what? Now you see the data is arranged in the ascending order. See the data and take the 5th data. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is x, and the 6th observation is what? X plus 2. So 5th observation is x, take it, plus 6th observation is what? X plus 2. After plus 2 term means we don't have to put a bracket, it's okay. By everything divided by 2. 5th observation is x, 6th observation is x plus 2, and there is by 2 at the bottom, so divided by 2 equal to 63. Now solve this. 2x plus 2, and denominator we can cross multiply and take it to the other side, so it will be 63 into 2. So 2x plus 2 equal to 2 3s are 6, 2 6s are 12. Now again take that 2 to the other side. So 2x equal to how much? 124. Now find x. X will be 124 by 2. Cut it. 2 6 are 12. 2 6 are 12. 2 2s are 4. So that means it is equal to how much? 62. So you're asked to find the value of x. We're getting the value of x is how much? 62. Okay, write it down, and once you're done, you can resume. Yeah, I need to see some more hands. Okay, so it is done. We'll move to the next question. Question number 4. Find the mode of the following data. You have to find the mode of the following data. Now that is very easy. To find the mode, you will see the maximum repetition. Here, what is the maximum repetition? 14, I think, is repeated maximum time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, it is repeated 4 times. Whereas 18 is repeated 3 times. Yeah, since 14 is repeated maximum number of times, the mode will be 14. So 4 answer. Okay, then we'll move to question number 5. Question number 5 is what? A table is given. Find the mean salary of 60 workers of a factory for the following table. So a table is given. The salary of 60 workers is given. The salary of 60 workers is given, and number of workers in different salary range is also given. So the number of workers here will be frequency. Now, if there is a table, you're also find the mean. If there is a table, the process is a little different. So let's see, how will you do? Solution. If there is a table, we have to make a table. Salary in rupees. That will be your XI. The number of workers will be your frequency. We can write number of workers, or we can take frequency also. That will be Fi, frequency, Xi, Fi, and then we'll find the product. Product is Fi, Xi. Now, first is 300, 16, 400, 3016, 4012, then 5000, 10, then 6000, 8, then 7000, 6, 8000, 4, 9000, 3, and 10,001. Total. And the Number of workers, total of number of workers is given 60. So that will be summation. This symbol is called sum of Fi is equal to 60, and then find the product. For each we have to find the product. That means we'll multiply xi and fi, or fi and xi. 16 3 is 48. Then 12 4 is 32. Sorry, 12 4 is 48. 12 4 is 48. Again, 5,000 into 10 will be 50,000. 8 6 is 48. 7 6 is how much? 42. Then 8 4 is how much? 32. Then 9 3 is how much? 27. Then 10,000 into 1 will be 10,000. So if you add up, and this will be what? The total of Fi Xi will be sum of. This symbol is for sum of Fi Xi equal to. We'll add it. 3 zeros is there, write it. Then add 48, 48, 50, 48, 42, 32, 27, 10. So it will be how much? 48, 48, 50, 48, 42, 32, 27. So it will be 305. So the total of Fi Xi is coming this. Then we'll find the mean. Now this symbol is called this symbol. This is a sigma symbol. It is a Greek letter, and this means sum of. This means sum of. That means total of. Okay, right after this, then after making this table, so if there is a table, we have to make the table, and in the table we have to find the product, and then only we are going to find the mean. So right after this, once you're done, you can raise your hand, and then we'll find the mean. Yeah, I can see only 25 hands. Some more hands I need to see. If you're done, you can raise your hand. Okay, so it is done. I'm rubbing the first part. Now, if there is a table, the formula will change. If you find the product, the mean is given by, then below the table you can write mean equal to sum of Fi Xi divided by sum of Fi. Now sum of Fi Xi, how much you got? 305,000. 305,000. That means total of the product. And sum of Fi means what? Total of the frequency. Total of the frequency means was how much? It was given in the table also. It is 60. So by 60, got it. Then again we can cut it by what? 2 also, or we can directly divide also. So it is coming 508 3.33. And since there is a unit, put the unit. In number of, say, the salary was given, and the salary was in rupees. Now the unit is there, so you'll at the end you'll put the unit. So mean is how much? Rupees this much. Or we can write the mean salary is rupees this much. Okay, once you're done, you can again raise your hand. Then we'll move to the question number 6. Yeah, once you're done, raise your hand. I can say 28 hands till now. Yeah, okay, so it is done. Let us move to the next question. Okay, question number 6. What is given to you in the question is the mean age of 30 students in the class is 14. So mean age of 30 students is given to you. 5 students with the mean age of 15 years left the class. So 5 students are leaving the class. So how many students will be left behind? 25 students will be left behind. You have to find the mean age of the remaining 25 students. So how to do? Now what is given? Mean age of 30 students is given. So we'll write like this. Mean age of 30 students is given equal to how much? 14 years. So 14 years. Since the mean age of 30 students is given, we can find the total age of 30 students equal to 30 into 14 years. Or 30 into 14, 30 into 14 is how much? For 20 years. Then again, what is in the question? 5 students are with a mean of 15 years left the class. So mean age of, again, mean age of 5 students who left the class is equal to how much? 15 years. So find the total age of 5 students who left the class will be 5 into 15. 15 5 is 75 years. So we now know the total age of 5 students who left the class. Now we can, from this, we can find the total age of 25 students who are left behind. So total age, now we can find the total age of remaining 25 students will be equal to what? How to find that? From the total age of 30 students, you subtract the total age of 5 students who left the class, and from there we can find the total age of the remaining 25 students. So 420 minus 75, and that is equal to how much? 345. Now we know the total age of the remaining 25 students, so we can find the mean age. So mean age of remaining students will be what? The total age of the remaining, if we divide the total age of the remaining 25 students by 25, we can find the mean age of the remaining 25 students. So to find the mean age of the remaining 25 students, we'll divide the total age of the remaining 25 students. Or we can write how to find it. We'll divide the total age of remaining 25 students divided by 25. So total age of the remaining 25 students is how much? 245 by 25. Got it? 5 5 is 25, 5 6 is 30, 5 9 is 45. 69 by 5, and 69 by 5 is how much? 13.8 years. Okay, write it down, and once you're done, you can raise the hand. I can see only 27 hands. Okay, so we'll move to the next question. Number 7. Number 7 is what? See the question. Mean age of 25 observation is 36. Sorry, the mean of 25 observation is 36. So the mean of 25 observation is given. From there, we can find the total of 25 observation. Out of this observation, the mean of the first 13 observation is 32, and that of the last 13 observation is 40. Find the 13 observation. So you're asked to find what will be that 13 observation. There are 25 observations, but what will be the 13th observation? 13th one. So let's say it's also same as question number 6 a little bit. 7 solution. Now here the mean of 25 observation is given to us, so we'll write mean of is given how much? 36. So we can find total of 25 observation. Equal to 25 into 36, and 25 into 36 is how much? Twenty-five into 36 is 900. So write that. Then what is told? Out of this observation, the mean of first 13 is 32. The mean of first 13 is given. Mean of first 13 observation is mean of first 13 observation is 32. So find total again. Total of will be 13 into 32, and 13 into 32 is how much? Is 416. Then again, the mean of last 13 is also given, so we'll write mean of last 13 observation is mean of last 13 observation is 40. So we'll find again total. Is 13 into 40, and it will be how much? 0, 4, 3, 12, 209, 404, 520. Now we have to find the 13 observation. And how to find the 13 observation? To find the 13 observation, what are you going to say? Here in this case, mean we have